So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween day. Finally I am back. So without any further ado, let's start this video. First of all, I just want to share my experiences how I met with this lovely poetry. Last year someone suggested me this video. I don't want to take his name, but yeah, that's how I came to the world of poetry. Pat Pat is written by the English poet Florence Margaret Smith, also known as Stevie Smith. This poem deals with the separation of two lovers and how the speaker feels long after the breakup. Stevie Smith's Pat Pat has an implied title. It refers to the slow and steady movement and that makes a soft sound. But why does the poet hint at the mild sound originating from a person's careful steps? To know the reason, readers have to go through the text attentively. The journey should be started with the mental state of the speaker. It describes a speaker's present mental state after being dejected in love long years back. In the first stanza of the poem, readers came across an image of a lady dressed in a kimono and flowers. She is sitting in a crouch like a tiger waiting for its prey. Unfortunately, the prey is no one other than the speaker himself. The lady told him that she had no feelings left in her heart. It was better to leave. The years fleet by. In the present, when he thinks of his past, he does not feel like before. One was youthful years, first passionate emotions in the heart, but when the person matures, he takes decisions carefully. In the first two lines, Smith uses a repetition of the word beautiful. It creates an ironic effect in the first lines. She uses imagery to depict the scenes the speaker talks about in the text. There is a metaphor in the phrase tigerish crouch. The comparison is made between the sitting posture of the lady to that of a tiger. The last line of the stanza contains irony. Whatever, according to him, an image of his former love is stuck in his mind. Whenever he feels lonely or sad, he thinks about his beloved dressed in beautiful flowers and robed in a traditional kimono. From this description, readers have started to think that the poet might be talking about a Japanese girl. She is not only dressed beautifully, but she also has nice looks. The speaker specifically remembers that day when they were separated. His beloved was sitting cozily on the couch. Her posture seemed to him as if she was like a tiger, crouching and waiting for his prey. As the speaker was rejected, he was the prey on that day. While sitting there, the lady broke his heart and told him that she did not love him anymore. It was just an infatuation, therefore the youthful passion had vanished. In second stanza, we can see speaker said, "What I cannot remember is how I felt when you were unkind. The years have taken from me softly, I go now pat pat." So it describes about the incident is still fresh in his memory. But no one thinks he cannot remember nowadays is how he felt on that day. When she rejected him unkindly, his heart blew up his mind. But now the speaker is matured enough, he can control his emotion. That's why he should not mind if the lady is unkind now. When he was in his youth, even the slightest of provocation could incite exaggerated emotions in his heart. On that day, when they break up, he felt extremely angry at the same time sad. Gradually, those emotions were superseded by maturity. The year after the event changed him as a person and changed his mind. For this reason, now he faces reality with open eyes and takes each step with extreme care. After getting the reward from the lady, he changed his attitude towards love. Nowadays, if he even strolls in the alleys of love, he passes by with light steps. The soft sound of pat pat can only be heard. Basically, the Stevie Smith was often dark. Her characters were always in the mood of saying goodbye to their close ones. Her speakers, like one present in her poem Pat Pat, are never sentimental. The subject matter of Smith's poem in the later phrase reflects suffering and end of life. Likewise, in this poem, readers can find the suffering of a speaker who has been dejected in love. It is not It is not clear why the event occurred in his life, but after reading the text, it becomes clear that his beloved was not true to him. She was infatuated rather than falling in love. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. I gave my best to make this video, and this is one of my favorite poem, and you guys can relate yourself with this poem. And please, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please share this video as much as you can. So bye bye.